Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside a modern soap factory to discover the complete journey from raw materials to finished soap bars.
The journey begins far from the soap factory. Modern livestock farms are the first link in a much larger industrial supply chain. Commercial farms operate on carefully managed schedules. Every stage is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and consistency. Behind every large agricultural operation is a network of daily maintenance and careful management. Some animal byproducts from food production are collected for use in other industries. This helps reduce waste by giving valuable materials a second purpose. Temperature-controlled transportation preserves the material during its journey. The next destination is the soap manufacturing facility. The raw material travels under controlled conditions. Every shipment follows strict transportation standards. At the factory, the next stage of the journey begins. Here, raw materials will be transformed into everyday soap. Every delivery enters through a controlled receiving system. Clean handling is essential from the very beginning. Every pipeline is checked before processing begins. Small details help prevent larger problems later. The first movement through the factory marks the beginning of industrial transformation.
We've got an anomaly on the flow rate here. See that spike? Yes, adjusting the parameters now. Keep an eye on the pressure.
The first warming stage prepares the material for refining. Temperature control is carefully increased step by step.
Every vessel works in perfect coordination. The transformation has begun, but much more remains ahead.
The raw material is now ready for initial processing. In the next chapter, controlled heating and preparation begin the chemical transformation that leads to soap. The ingredients have now entered the first stage of production. Careful preparation ensures every batch begins with the correct balance of materials. Every ingredient moves through a controlled network of equipment. Consistent flow helps maintain stable production conditions.
Different ingredients must be combined in precise quantities. Automation helps ensure accuracy throughout the process.
Mechanical mixing distributes the ingredients evenly. Uniformity is essential before further processing can begin.
Controlled heating prepares the ingredients for chemical transformation. Temperature management remains critical at every stage. The temperature on Mixer 3 is spiking.
I see it. Cross-referencing the pressure data now.
We need to initiate the cooling sequence immediately. The prepared mixture is now ready for the next phase. Precise transfer prevents fluctuations in quality. Inside these vessels, the key transformation begins. Conditions must remain carefully controlled throughout the reaction. As processing continues, the mixture begins to develop new properties. These changes are closely monitored by the factory team.
Reliable equipment is essential for uninterrupted production. Routine inspections help maintain stable operation.
Heat exchangers help regulate processing temperatures. Stable conditions improve product consistency.
Large-scale manufacturing allows continuous production throughout the day. Every system works together as part of a coordinated process.
The readings are well within the acceptable range.
Excellent. Let's log the batch as passed.
The material has now completed its initial preparation phase. Further refinement will improve its quality and performance. Initial processing is now complete. In the next chapter, large-scale manufacturing systems will drive the transformation deeper into the heart of soap production. The heart of soap manufacturing begins inside these large reaction vessels. Here, the mixture moves continuously through a carefully engineered pipeline network. Every transfer is monitored to maintain consistent quality. Removing excess moisture improves the structure of the soap. Controlled vacuum processing helps create a uniform consistency. Additional ingredients are blended with precise accuracy. Even distribution ensures every soap bar has consistent characteristics. Compression removes trapped air and creates a dense, uniform structure. This stage prepares the material for shaping. Each block is cut with remarkable precision. Uniform sizing is essential for the next manufacturing stage. We're ahead of schedule on the Heritage White Run. Good. Keep a close eye on the conditioning tunnels.
The soap has reached the precision stage. Every bar is carefully aligned before its final shape is perfected.
Small imperfections are removed with remarkable accuracy. Even the finest details contribute to a consistent finished product. Gentle polishing creates a clean, even surface. Consistency and texture is just as important as appearance. Precision forming ensures that every soap bar matches the required dimensions. Automation keeps the process accurate from start to finish. Automated inspection examines every soap bar individually. Only products meeting quality standards continue through the production line. Packaging materials are prepared with the same precision as the soap itself. Proper alignment helps protect every finished bar. Each soap bar is securely wrapped to preserve freshness and cleanliness. High-speed automation maintains consistent packaging quality.
Individual bars are organized into retail cartons. Accurate placement protects the products during transportation.
Every packaged carton is verified before shipment. Weight checks provide another layer of quality assurance. Each sample is measured with high precision. Consistent dimensions help maintain manufacturing standards.
Automated inspection systems examine every packaged product. Only approved soap bars continue toward shipment.
Physical testing confirms that every soap bar meets the required strength. Reliable performance begins with careful evaluation. Environmental testing evaluates product stability over time. Controlled conditions help verify long-term performance.
Automation organizes finished products for efficient handling. Accurate pallet stacking improves transport safety.
Protective wrapping secures every shipment during transportation. Stable packaging helps prevent damage throughout distribution. Quality control is complete, and the soap is ready for distribution. In the final chapter, the finished product...
Everything seems to be running smoothly this afternoon.
Yes, the new system is very efficient.
Each shipment is prepared according to its destination. Final inspections confirm that every order is ready for transport. The factory's work is complete, but the journey continues. Distribution networks carry the finished soap to markets across the region. Regional distribution centers organize products for retailers and wholesalers. Automation helps manage thousands of cartons every day. From large warehouses, products are prepared for individual retail deliveries. Careful organization ensures reliable supply to stores. The manufacturing journey ends where everyday products reach consumers. Behind each bar is a carefully managed industrial process. From carefully prepared raw ingredients to a finished household product, every stage contributes to consistent qualities. The journey from raw materials to finished soap is the result of engineering, automation, and skilled workers operating together.